Take a ride in the 2019 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks, passenger airbag, power door locks, fog lamps, trip computer, power windows. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.